Let me tell you right away, setup is very simple. Now I will show you everything step by step, and the first action is the time frame. For this strategy is best suited 1 minute. In the indicators I look for Alligator and Williams and change some parameters. Just change old numbers like I did right now. 10, 5, 6, 3, 4, and 2. Nothing complicated here, my friends. You need to change all the parameters and points and then change the color of all the lines to green. Look at this. Okay, that's really easy. In a Williams settings, I select pure 10 and change the color again, and now I can start trading. Yeah, everything is green. Look at this. It looks simple, it looks interesting. And I have already studied all the details of this method, so I understand a little bit what situations I need to look for. However, everything I'm doing today, I'm doing for the first time with you, so let's get started. And guys, if you trade on your iPhone or Android in the web version of the browser, it's no problem. Yeah, all this indicator is easy to turn on. I check it out. If you want to get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video, I will leave a link to this trading platform. I trade here every day. And I write a new promo code that gives real free money to your balance. You can use them for trading. My friends, real money for your balance. Make an account using the link, enter promo code trading practice. It's very convenient for beginners. Use it if you want. As I say, the time frame for this strategy is 1 minute. In this video, I will open all trades for 3 minutes, and I have already selected this time on a timer. Look at this. My balance is $100, and in this market situation, I will press the green button to open my first trade up. Let's figure out together how I choose the situation and why this binary system really works. The whole secret lies in the two indicators. Yeah, the market conditions are suitable for two rules that I need to open a trade quickly and not to miss this moment. The first condition, friends, is the alligator lines. 3 green lines of this indicator should change their general position, change their movement, and start crossing each other. In this example, the 3 green lines started moving up after the fall and intersect at different points. I can see very well how each line starts to change position, and it happens at the same moment. Look at this. The second condition for this strategy is the Williams line. We have an average zone in which the line moves most of the time, but now we need to catch the moment when a line duplicates the market and enters the danger zone above. Yeah, friends, after the fall, a new moment began and the Williams line enters the upper danger zone. Here is also everything I need. And while I was talking about it, I remember the trade condition. It's more a tip than a rule, but you should know that too. It's very important to look for logic in a candle pattern. For example, here I see that the same moment took place 10 minutes ago. Candles also rose higher, but then everything fell down. Now the moment is repeating itself, and I'm just trying to catch this moment to make a profit. So in general, you need to look at the candles and try to see some kind of logic to avoid fake situations. Okay, a couple more seconds and I see $73 of net profit. When the first situation I started with $100 and now I have almost doubled this. Now let's look at an example of the reverse situation. Everything is the same here but moving down. Again, the time for the timer is 3 minutes. I press the red button to open my trade, and here I see all the conditions for work. Alligator lines cross each other and move down. Everything looks very good, but I don't like the Williams line. Yeah, friends, look at this. It's not very good. Yeah, you can work with this and the condition is met, but the line looks wrong. I took a risk. My friends, I took a risk. I understand that. I know what I'm doing, so please don't worry. I'm testing this strategy for you, so it's okay if I make some mistakes. I do not advise you to take such situations, so it's more dangerous. Look at this. If we talk about a pattern, I see the repetition of the moment here. Yeah, it's maybe strange, but I'm trying to see the logic in it. Candles were falling down, and I see that that's happening again, very similar. Look at this again. So probably this moment will continue. Remember one more thing, you need to open a trade only when all three lines of the alligator have crossed it and Williams line has entered the danger zone. If these conditions have not yet been met, please take your time to open a trade, because this way you can catch a fake signal and everything will go against you. Be careful, please. I think I can say that I was lucky. The situation gives me a profit, but I could have lost my money because the Williams indicator did not look right. Okay friends, so far everything is going well and I don't want to stop, but I won't take any chances and I don't want to deceive you. I never make a video where I grow my account from $1 to $50,000 because it's impossible. I always make 3 or 5 trades, try to make a profit, and evaluate the strategy. And today is the same day. I have already made a good profit, so if my trade gives me a profit, I will not risk it. I will just make a withdrawal and give a couple of comments about this method, about this trading strategy, this binary system. In general, this is a really good method for a beginner. Yeah, there are very simple working conditions and rules, so anyone with any experience can simply repeat the settings and find some good situations like me now. And I also think this is a good opportunity to gain experience in a pattern analysis. Yeah, because looking for logic in a currency charts, it's a very useful skill. Yeah, I'm sure that this strategy can give 2, 3, 5 losses in a row and maybe you will catch a fake situations. This is normal. This is absolutely normal. But if you analyze the chart pattern, you can avoid it. And what can I say? The situation looks very simple and beautiful. It's a downtrend and some correction that I caught. So far, everything is going well, so I'm waiting for a result. A few more seconds and I see $400 on my balance. My friends, it's very cool. I literally grew my account 4 times in 3 simple trades. Yeah friends, I make a withdrawal to my crypto wallet right now. Usually the money is sent within 30 minutes, but there were cases when I waited 2 or 3 days for the money. It's normal. So when I edit this video, I will add a screenshot. Yeah friends, I think you can see it if I haven't forgotten about it. Yeah, I can say that I recommend this strategy. Yeah, it's a simple and good method. Of course, practice